Welcome 6th graders and parents to our walkthrough of the study guide for History Test 14, tailored specifically for Abeka students. Before we get started, please make sure you have your study guide printed out so you can follow along and fill in the answers as we go. If you haven't printed the study guide yet, it's not an issue. There's a link in the video description below that'll lead you straight to the study guide. Print it out or view it on your device so you can participate fully. Are you ready to jump in? Let's go! Are you ready? Fantastic! This study guide is your key to acing 6th grade History Test 14, where we'll delve into significant events and figures that have shaped our world. I'll guide you through by reading the first 3 questions or statements from each section to get us started. After that, you'll take the lead, continuing on your own to explore further. Let's embark on this historical journey and transform those question marks into exclamation points of understanding. Let's dive into some multiple-choice questions about South America. I'll read each question and the choices, and you'll mark the correct answer in your guide. South America is the blank largest continent. A. Second. B. Third. C. Fourth. D. Fifth. Much of South America is located in the blank zone. A. Temperate. B. Torrid. C. Frigid. D. Arctic. The major mountain range in South America is the blank mountain range. A. Atlas. B. Ural. C. Rocky. D. Andes. Make sure to fill in the correct letter for each answer and continue with the remaining questions on your own. Next up, we have matching. Write the letter of the correct answer in the blank. The Spanish conquistador who conquered the Incas. The first man to realize that the Americas were a new world. Now, continue on your own through the rest of the matching. Think about each one carefully. Next up, we have some true/false statements. If the statement is true, write true. If it's false, correct the underlined words to make it true. More Indians live in Brazil than in any other country of the world. The language of the Incas is Quechua. Pedro II became Emperor of Brazil at age 15 and helped Brazil develop into a strong country. Now, continue on your own through the rest of the true/false statements. Think about each one carefully. Now, let's locate some places on the map related to South America. I'll read each location, and you write the correct letter that matches on your map in the study guide. Find Mount Aconcagua on your map. Write down its letter. Where is Lake Titicaca located? Find it and write the correct letter. Locate the Amazon River. What letter corresponds to it on your map? Now, continue on your own through the rest of the map locations. Think about each one carefully. Lastly, we have map locations. Write the letter of the correct location in the blank. Missouri River. Appalachian Mountains. Andes Mountains. Great Bear Lake. Now, continue on your own through the rest of the map locations. Think about each one carefully. And that's a wrap on our study guide walkthrough for History Test 14. Great job following along. Remember, the key to success is practice and confidence. Parents, thank you for supporting your students' journey through history. Students, you're well prepared to ace this test. Good luck, and remember, history isn't just about memorizing dates and facts. It's about understanding the story of our past. For more helpful study guides and educational content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.